Oh, wait, record. There it goes. Now it's recording. Look at these nasty looking things, and he said he's going to eat one of them. He already ate one. Crazy. Go ahead, Bill.
Talking about.
Grab one of those delicious looking
I'm
juices.
sure back for my squirrels. I'm not going to eat that fucking shit. You crazy?
Come on, man. You just ate one.
I'm talking about it, and you want?
Yeah, you did. I seen you.
No, I didn't.
Look, you still got the jism on your lip.
No, I didn't eat one.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, God.
Oh.
What
Tastes
a
like fucking squirrel.
nasty mother scratcher. Oh, my Lord. Oh, look, there's a bug in there. Oh, my God. Oh, you're fucking sick. You're sick, man.
Tastes like squirrel.
Tastes like squirrel. Tastes like chicken. That is nasty, man.
Look at that, man. It's organic.
Oh, my gosh. Children, don't try this at home. You might get the runs.
Good stuff, man.